How many pieces are there in a Rubik's Cube? Now, the answer might seem obvious why there's 26. Oh, this might be a little bit messy to explain. That's better. As we can see, there's 12 edge pieces, 8 corners, and 6 center caps. So this all adds up to 26 pieces. However, we must take into account all the pieces that go into each of these pieces. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we take one of these corner pieces, we can see that it is in fact made of tiles. 1, 2, 3 to be exact. So we need to account for 3 pieces for each corner piece, adding the total of corner pieces up to 24. Now for each edge piece, we can see that there's 2 pieces in each of these. So that adds our total up to 24 as well, adding our grand total up to 48 plus 6, which is 54. So we previously accounted for 3 pieces for each corner piece. However, there's this thing right here, which is the 4th piece. However, there's 3 magnets inside each of them. So we must account for 7 total pieces in each corner piece, adding that total up to 56. The same goes for each edge piece. If we take this apart, we can see that inside is this little piece. There is in fact 1, 2, 3, 4. However, there's 2 magnets inside each of these, bringing the total up to 6. 6 times 12 is 72. So we must account for 72 extra pieces. Do I really want to make these look nice? No. So I probably won't. So at this current moment, we are at 134 pieces. We have 24, 24, 6, 12, 32, and 36. So this, as I said, adds up to 134 pieces. So we have the core here. I'm just basically going to take it apart and we'll see how many pieces are in it. So we have added 6 pieces, 12 pieces, 24 pieces, 25 pieces to our total. So this is a big dent in the total number of pieces. So let's find out exactly how many pieces are in a Rubik's Cube. So this is our total. We have 24 pieces, 6 pieces, 24 pieces, 6 pieces, 12, 6, 12, 32, 1, and 32. Nope, that's not right. 36. So our grand total was 159 pieces. If you got it right, let me know in the comments. And yeah, let me know how many you originally thought there was. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.